Strange thing about bowling in Las Vegas. The weekends are the slowest. The weekdays are packed every night, every morning. Now tomorrow morning is big in Vegas for bowling. Sunday morning also, but Friday, Saturday night is about like this, about half full, because they don't have leagues on those nights. The leagues definitely fill the place up. That's how they make their money. Constant money. They pay less, but they're consistent. Eight chicken wings for $16. $2 per wing. It's about the going rate. Ooh, she picked up that spare. That was a pretty good one too. Look at this spare over here. There's no way. On lane 58. Get over, get over, get over. She picked it up on the other direction. Here's another one. It's going to be tough to get. It's going to be real tough to get. She got some of it. It doesn't count if you only get some of it, I don't think. He's got an Austin Cindric t-shirt on. I don't think I've ever seen anyone wearing an Austin Cindric #2 t-shirt. I might have to send this to Austin Cindric. Usually just see Chase Elliott. It's a strike coming right here, right now. Watch this. Oh man, I was one off. A lot of hanky-panky going on in that bar. About 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you watch. $6 to rinse your shoes. That used to be $1.50. And games are between $4.50 and $6.25, depending on the day. There's a strike. Nope. I don't know the strike. It's still one of the cheapest activities you can do. It's still very reasonable. You can still bring a family of 4 in here and spend less than $100, even when you eat. They're holding the door shut. They think there's going to be looters in here. They might be right.
Dreams so cheap where the lights don't lie. Cards fall